A genuine natural stone floor brings a level of warmth, texture, and eco-friendly status to a room that manufactured materials struggle to replicate. But premium hard stones like marble and granite carry a significant upfront cost. For many renovation budgets, outfitting an entire living space in these materials drains the funds meant for other crucial structural upgrades. This usually forces a compromise. Homeowners often pivot to mass-produced artificial materials, like porcelain or faux wood vinyl. They are durable and accessible, but they carry a flat uniformity that lacks organic character. This is where limestone offers a path forward. It is a genuine natural stone that provides the layered, complex visual appeal of high-end flooring, occasionally even featuring embedded marine fossils, at a fraction of the cost of granite. However, that lower price point isn't a market oversight. Choosing limestone means trading a lower financial cost today for a lifetime of mandatory, specialized maintenance. Limestone is a biological sedimentary rock, formed as marine debris compresses into a soft, reactive calcite matrix. Because of this organic origin, it is far more porous than stones forged by extreme pressure, behaving like a rigid sponge that reacts to everything touching its surface. That geological reality often conflicts with the modern household, an environment filled with spilled coffee, heavy boots, acidic cleaning sprays, and pet claws. The viability of a limestone floor depends less on its beauty and more on whether a specific floor plan can accommodate its inherent fragility. Navigating that fragility yields an immediate aesthetic payoff. Limestone offers a unique color palette, ranging from warm ivory and beige to bluish grays and soft pinks, that instantly shifts the character of a room. It also meets strict environmental standards. Unlike many commercial artificial slabs, limestone is a 100% natural, non-toxic, and non-flammable material that can be disposed of safely. When plotted against its primary competitors, limestone strikes a specific balance. It offers higher authenticity than vinyl while remaining significantly more affordable than granite. But that balance shifts when accounting for the volume of labor required to keep the stone in its original condition. While the maintenance effort for vinyl is negligible and granite is moderate, the requirements for limestone spike into the high-intensity zone. Selecting limestone requires moving away from the install-and-forget luxury of modern artificial materials. It is the purchase of a living floor that requires active management. Porosity is the stone's primary functional threat. Any liquid spilled on the surface is absorbed quickly. Once a substance like wine or oil enters the texture, it leaves deep, permanent stain marks. There is also a chemical risk. Because the stone is calcium carbonate, standard acidic household cleaners will aggressively burn the surface, causing dull, permanent spots known as acid etching. This necessitates a strict daily routine: immediate spill cleanup, frequent sweeping with soft brooms to remove abrasive grit, and the exclusive use of pH-neutral cleaners. Protecting the stone long-term requires a penetrating sealer. This chemical barrier fills the pores, creating a shield that blocks liquid droplets from entering the internal matrix. For outdoor applications like patios or walkways, this seal must be fully reapplied every 1 to 2 years to withstand weather and moisture. Even in climate-controlled indoor spaces, the tiles require a full resealing every 3 to 5 years, as foot traffic gradually wears the protection away. The savings found at the checkout counter are often paid back over decades through specialized cleaning products and the recurring labor of sealing the stone. Beyond chemical sensitivity, the material's physical softness means that localized pressure or constant friction can easily overcome the stone's natural toughness. This inherent softness creates a high probability of the tiles chipping, scratching, or developing major stress cracks over time. There is also the challenge of logistics. Large-format limestone slabs are exceptionally heavy. That weight complicates transportation and increases the risk of the slabs cracking or chipping before they are even installed. Because the stone is both heavy and brittle, it requires professional installation over a heavily reinforced subfloor. If a project requires structural reinforcement to support the load, those hidden logistical costs can quickly neutralize the initial budget savings. A material's performance is dictated as much by placement as geology. High-traffic areas like hallways, entryways, and busy kitchens act as red zones for soft stone. Here, constant foot traffic and frequent spills create a near certainty of chipping and permanent acid etching. For most homeowners, the daily anxiety of protecting the floor in these zones will rapidly outweigh the aesthetic benefits. In these high-traffic environments, limestone is a structural liability. Durable porcelain or hard granite remain the only practical choices. Conversely, limestone thrives in controlled environments like ensuite bathrooms, dining rooms, and exterior patios. These low-traffic zones let you enjoy the stone's warmth without the pressure of immediate spill management. Outdoors, success depends entirely on a 1 to 2 year sealing schedule to block natural moisture. Limestone successfully provides the luxury of natural stone on a budget, but the difference is paid over time through specialized, inescapable maintenance. A successful installation requires assessing a room's foot traffic and your own tolerance for upkeep long before you look at the renovation budget.